Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ashley and we're about to get right into this install because as you can see, your girl needs a hairdo. So the hair in the intro was a V-part wig and I have worn and installed so many V-part wigs. So let me tell you, I am an advocate for a good V-part wig. One, because it's convenient. Two, because it's easy to install. And three, you can literally fake a sew in minutes at home by yourself. And she's just one of the ones that you can take out and wear anytime, any place, and for any occasion. Now there are a few ways that you can install a V-part wig, but what you see in this video is a very lazy girl friendly. Okay, I have my hair in a low bun because it's definitely time for a wash, so I did not want to braid my hair down. I didn't want to have to put any product on it, so I'm just doing a very simple low bun, and I'm gonna do 2 ankle braids on the side. Okay, this is my leave out, very minimal, but near my leave out I'm gonna be going in and parting off some hair that I can plait down, and it's very convenient for anyone who does not know how to braid to the scalp. You're just gonna add some plaits, so just keep on watching and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Once I finish these 2 plaits, I'm literally just going to add that to my low bun, and we have the foundation for our V-part wig. The hair that I will be using today is from Unique's Hair. All the information will be down below, so please feel free to check it out if you're interested. This is their Ombré Easy Contour V-part wig. It comes with an adjustable drawstring in the back. That's what makes it contour to that head, okay? So we have no more gap in the back. If you're someone that's been wanting to try color, this is a very pretty subtle ombre chestnut brown, and it is very easy to blend in with that hair because it does give that gradient ombre from dark to light brown. I love how it has the black at the top because that's what helps your hair to blend into it. Y'all, my hair is in a repair and healthy state, okay? So I wanted to have my hair curly, but I wasn't sure how it was going to revert. But she definitely surprised me. I was able to define my hair a little bit with this wig. But if you're someone whose hair is not this texture, please keep on watching so you can see another style that I did to blend your hair when it's not your texture. And check out my TikTok for the full tutorial on that. But I'm at the point in the video where I'm yapping a little too much. So please keep on watching to see me style this hair very easily, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.